meteorologist Shay Ryan with an update on the tropics. Taking a look at Matthew, you can see just how intense the storm is this morning. Packing 155-mile-per-hour maximum sustained winds, now just slightly weaker than the last run. So it is a Cat 4, but it was a Cat 5 overnight. And then as we take a look at its motion, right now it's still moving to the west, but throughout the day, I think we'll start to see a more northwesterly turn and then eventually a northerly track. And that's where it is in the path of Jamaica and western Haiti. It looks like it's just going to brush eastern Jamaica and then moving over eastern Cuba, eventually over the Bahamas. At this point in time, southeast Florida is still in the cone of uncertainty, but most of the models are in pretty good agreement that it will stay off of the east coast of Florida and then continue up into the Atlantic. So it doesn't look like there is a strong likelihood of any U.S. impact, but we are still monitoring this storm. And as you know, with this many days out into early or middle of next week, we're still looking at a storm close to Florida. So we will be keeping a very close eye on this. But again, at this point in time, the models seem to be in pretty good agreement that it will keep it off the east coast of Florida, which will help to dry us out by this time. You see Thursday and Friday, that storm is just going to suck the moisture across the state. And so we're going to be on the dry side with only about 30, maybe 20% coverage of afternoon showers and storms on Friday, and that's even with a cold front trying to move through the state. In the meantime, we're looking at pretty typical weather. We'll have chances for showers and storms each day, and at least through the weekend, we will have a chance for a few morning showers and storms right along the coastline.